Marvin Clad Ultimate Bi-Fold Door, Hinge Installation. Place any top roller hinges numbered 3 through 5 in head track in the correct order using configuration diagram as a guide for your configuration. Rotate clamp and tighten bolt furthest from the jamb. Slightly tighten the bolt closest to jamb. Place hinge in the middle of its adjustment range by rotating center cam, then fully tighten the bolt closest to jamb. Install bottom portion of hinges 1 and 2 in correct end of sill, ensuring shim is installed below it. Place hinge in the middle of its adjustment range by rotating center cam, then tighten the bolts.